Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW X5M versus BMW M5. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which high-performance machine suits your lifestyle. The X5M, a powerful SUV, offers versatility and a higher driving position. In contrast, the M5, a sleek sedan, prioritizes a dynamic, road-hugging experience. Both are incredible vehicles, but their distinct designs cater to different driving preferences and needs. When it comes to raw power, the M5 often has an edge, with some versions producing up to 717 horsepower. The X5M is not far behind, delivering a robust 617 horsepower, which is truly impressive for an SUV. This translates to blistering acceleration, with the M5 hitting 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, while the X5M follows closely at around 3.7 to 3.8 seconds. Both offer exhilarating speed. For practicality, the X5M shines with its generous cargo capacity, offering up to 72.3 cubic feet with the rear seats down. The M5 Touring, while a wagon, still provides a respectable 57.6 cubic feet. In terms of driving dynamics, the M5's lower center of gravity contributes to a more agile and connected feel on the road. The X5M, however, provides a commanding view and greater versatility for various terrains. Considering value, the starting prices for both the X5M and M5 are quite similar, typically ranging from $121,500 to $122,300. Interestingly, the M5 tends to retain its value a bit better over 5 years, depreciating by 53.7% compared to the X5M's 56.3%. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize the M5 sedan dynamics or the X5M's SUV utility. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.